Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best mane and tail is probably one of the most talked about hair care products on the market, renowned for its ability to promote hair growth and add incredible shine, making it a go-to for those seeking longer, healthier, and more lustrous locks. And today we're diving deep to see if this cult favorite truly lives up to the hype and delivers the transformative results it promises. Number 5. Kitsch Rice Water Protein Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing a revolutionary hair care duo designed to promote healthy hair growth. This powerful set works to strengthen your strands from root to tip. Infused with rice protein and essential vitamins, it actively repairs damage and fortifies your hair. Experience visibly stronger, more resilient hair with every wash. Our formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. It's kind to your hair and scalp. Harness the natural benefits of rice water, known for its hair-strengthening properties. This set provides deep nourishment for healthier-looking hair. Proudly made in the USA, this duo is crafted with quality and care. Give your hair the best with this exceptional strengthening treatment. What we like. This set is formulated with rice protein and vitamins for significant hair strengthening and damage repair. If you are looking for a product to combat breakage and promote healthier hair growth, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those seeking a sulfate-free and silicone-free option made in the USA. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is a game-changer for dry, brittle hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft, moisturized, and incredibly manageable. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my hair's strength and shine. It also smells amazing. The formula is gentle yet effective, and it lathers up beautifully. My hair feels cleaner and healthier than ever before. Number 4. Kitsch 4PC Sampler Bars Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the Kitsch 4-piece sampler set, featuring our popular shampoo and conditioner bars. Experience a variety of formulas designed to nourish your hair. Try our rice water shampoo and conditioner. This duo is formulated to promote hair growth and add vitality to your locks. Our castor oil shampoo is perfect for repairing damaged hair. It works to strengthen strands and improve overall hair health. Indulge your hair with our coconut oil conditioner. It provides deep moisture, leaving your hair soft and manageable. Embrace sustainable beauty with these convenient, bottle-free bars. They are perfect for travel and reducing plastic waste. Whether you need growth, repair, or moisture, this set has you covered. Achieve your hair goals with these effective formulas. What we like. Experience bottle-free beauty with this sampler set featuring various bar options for growth, repair, and moisture. If you're aiming to reduce plastic waste and try different formulations for hair growth and hydration, this is perfect for you. It's a great way to explore solid shampoo and conditioner options. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. My hair has never felt so healthy and looked so shiny. This shampoo and conditioner duo has made a noticeable difference in the strength and thickness of my hair. Number 3. Mane and Tail Shampoo and Conditioner Combo Set. Discover the power of deep cleansing with our unique formula. It reaches down to the skin, ensuring a thorough and refreshing clean for both you and your horse. Experience unparalleled conditioning that revitalizes hair from root to tip. It leaves your mane and hair feeling soft, manageable, and incredibly healthy. Designed for both humans and horses, this set offers a versatile solution for everyone. Enjoy the benefits of a salon-quality clean and condition. Each bottle contains a generous 32 ounces of product, providing long-lasting value. You'll have plenty to share and enjoy for weeks to come. Trust in a brand known for its exceptional hair care. Achieve visibly healthier and more beautiful hair with every wash. What we like. This classic combo offers a high lathering, deep cleansing experience fortified with moisturizers. If you desire hair that feels incredibly soft and looks shiny after every wash, this is the one. It's suitable for both humans and animals, providing essential conditioning for a healthier look. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is a game-changer for dry, brittle hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft, moisturized, and incredibly manageable. I've been using this product for a month now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in hair growth. My hair is thicker and fuller than ever before. The formula is gentle yet effective, and it lathers up nicely. It rinses clean without stripping natural oils, leaving my hair feeling healthy and revitalized. Number 2. OUAI Fine Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing the OUAI Fine Shampoo and Conditioner Set, designed to gently cleanse and nourish your hair. Experience a sulfate-free formula that's perfect for both women and men. Infused with keratin, marshmallow root, shea butter, and avocado oil, this set works to strengthen and hydrate. It helps to improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. We believe in clean beauty. That's why our formula is free of parabens and phthalates. You can enjoy a luxurious wash without compromising on your well-being. Specifically formulated for fine hair types, it provides essential moisture without weighing your strands down. Achieve fuller, bouncier hair with every wash. This set offers a complete hair care solution for everyday use. Enjoy healthier, more manageable hair that looks and feels its best. Each bottle contains 10 fluid ounces, ensuring you have plenty of product for consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine. What we like. Designed for fine hair, this set uses ingredients like keratin and shea butter to gently cleanse and hydrate without weighing hair down. If you have fine or thinning hair and are looking for a sulfate-free formula that adds moisture and promotes manageability, consider this option. It's a luxurious choice for both men and women. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is a game-changer for dry, damaged hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft, moisturized, and looking healthier than ever before. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with how much it has improved the texture and shine of my hair. It's also helped to reduce breakage and split ends. The Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner is a fantastic value for the price. It's affordable and effective, and a little goes a long way. Number 1. Mane and Tail 3PC Kit. Introducing the original Mane and Tail 3PC Kit, a complete hair care solution for both people and pets. This exclusive formula is designed to cleanse, condition, and detangle. Our highly concentrated shampoo features a micro-enriched protein formula. It provides deep cleaning action and essential conditioning, leaving your hair incredibly soft and shiny. The exclusive conditioner is designed to strengthen your hair and help prevent breakage. It delivers essential moisture for a healthier, longer mane and tail. Say goodbye to knots with our exclusive detangler. It eliminates tangles while providing extra conditioning, making your hair effortlessly manageable. This gentle and safe formula is perfect for all hair types. Experience the benefits of a healthier, more beautiful mane and tail. Proudly made in the USA by Straight Arrow Products Incorporated, you can trust the quality and effectiveness of this exceptional hair care system. What we like. This comprehensive 3-piece kit includes shampoo, conditioner, and a detangler for a complete hair care routine. If you're looking for a solution to easily manage knots and tangles while promoting longer, healthier looking hair, this set is ideal. It provides essential conditioning and moisturizing benefits for all hair types. What people say. This product is amazing for my hair, it leaves it feeling soft and shiny. I have been using this shampoo and conditioner for a month now and I can see a big difference in my hair. It is thicker and fuller. My hair has never looked better. It is so healthy and strong. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.